Welcome kids, myself Mrs. Nitra Kale, your maths teacher from Welkin National School, and we are starting mathematics for standard 1. So students, today we are starting our chapter number 46, concept left and right. Left and right. Student, today we will learn our sides, left side and right side. Okay, so look, this is this hand, this side hand. This is your right side and this is your left side. Okay, right side and left side. Look, this arrow shows the right side, this arrow shows the left side. Students, you write things in your book. Okay, spellings you write, number names you write. So from where you start? From this side or this side? We start always, look, these are lines in your notebook. Okay, so from where you start, this side or this side? We always start from this side. So this is our left side. Look, I am putting a spelling here. So we start writing from left side and end on right side. Start writing from left side and end on right side. Look, you never start from this side. Look, like this. We never start from this side. We always start from left side. So this is correct. Left to right. Understood? Left and right. Look, this arrow shows left side, this arrow shows right side. The hand you used for writing, eating, that hand is your right side. But listen, some people use left hand too for eating and writing. Okay, but more of the people use their right hand, right side hand. Okay, so don't confuse. This is your right side, this is your left side. Understood, students? Look, this car wanted to turn left, so it will turn this side. This is a left, this is a right. This is a right side. Understood, students? Now our another concept is less time and more time. Less time, less and more. We need more time, we need less time. Okay, how we understood now? Look, color the box under the vessel which will fill in less time. Look, here a tap and a bottle is filling with the tap. This is a bottle and this is a big bucket. Now tell me, which will fill fast? Which will fill fast between them? This bottle will fill fast. Why? Because it is very small, right? It is very small and the bucket is big than this bottle. So the bottle's capacity is very little. So it will fill fast than this. So which will take less time? Yes, this bottle will take less time and this bucket will take more time. Understood? Less time and more time. So color the box under the vessel which will fill in less time. So we will color this box. Understood? Now look here. Color the box under the picture of the vehicle which takes more time of journey. Now look, here is a bullock cart and here is a bus. Okay, bullock cart. So ox is there. In your village side, we used to see in these bullock carts, right? When you used to sit in this bullock cart and you going somewhere, so you reach fast or you will reach slow. Yes, you will reach slow. Why? Because this ox is pulling this cart. Okay, so it will go slow. But this bus, look at this bus. This bus has how many wheels? 4 wheels. and it has a big engine. Okay, and it goes faster, more faster, है ना. For long distances we used to go with this bus, right? So which will go fast? If I want to going somewhere, if you want to go somewhere, so which should I use? I will use this bus because it will go fast, it will take less time, and it will take a more time to go somewhere. So color the box under the picture of the vehicle which takes more time of journey. So which vehicle will take more time of journey? This vehicle take more time of journey. Understood, students? Less time and more time. Students, do practice of all this concept at home. Happy learning, students. Thank you so much.